we're very happy to be associated with EMA, as you know, the Event and Entertainment Management Association. And we have two veterans from EMA who are present here with us today, Vinod Janardhan and Brian Tellis, who also happens to be a founder member. We start with a big round of applause for EMA, first and foremost. I now invite Vinod Janardhan, founder, Team Rustic, to address you.
Good evening, Bandhu and Bhagnino. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm the filler act today. But I feel proud and honored because I've been associated with EMDI since its inception. And it's been a great journey. And it's really fulfilling to be at this graduation ceremony, as I would like to call it, convocation, as you would like to call it. I was fortunate to witness at close length this unique program since its inception. And have great admiration for the emphasis on the learning side that EMDI has brought upon in this industry. What I feel is three areas that they have really worked hard is lifelong learning and development, positive engagement, and last but not the least, developing leadership skills. And that's exactly what we would like to see when you all come on this side of the fence. So these are qualities that will impact your career. And I think that's very important that if you can stay along with them, it'll be amazing. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Bela and Preeta for inviting me to this convocation event. I feel honored and important too. So convocation is a time for celebration, triumph, and marks. And that's the end of the phase. It's a proud moment for you, but I'm sure it'll be back home to your parents and to all these teachers who have been supporting you in this industry. Because just like school, I think someday you need to come back to EMDI and thank them for where they are taking you along. You have got a lot of focus and determination, but I think all this will uh, I think in cash when you get your first salary check. And I think I want to be there at that moment because they would like to celebrate with you on that particular moment. You need to go back home and thank your parents. And that's a very important factor because they would have made so many sacrifices in these past 1, 2, or these last 2 years. And they would have provided an enabling environment for you at home, and they would have made those sacrifices for you to join here. So don't forget to go and thank them at the end of this. As students, you're matured adults and will be in totally different environments with new friends that will be subject to also some new peer pressures. You'll require emotional adjustments with both your parents and your peers. And I think that's something which I need you to remember. So this is your day, and I congratulate you. But before I go to that last level, one round of applause for all of you. Just make some noise for it. So you're fortunate that you could have learned well at this institution that has prepared you well for your career. And I think in this exciting world, full of challenges, opportunities amplified by the web and the connection revolution, I think event industry is here to stay, and we are here to support you. So I feel I would like to leave you with a decision making thought. Start where you are with what you have, make something of it, never be satisfied. Congratulations.
Thanks, Vinod.